Hello everyone, welcome to School on Screen. This is Aditi ma'am and today we are going to do parts of speech. As you know, I teach you English grammar on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays from 5:30 p.m. So let's start our today's lecture. In last class we have done parts of speech. We have covered noun, verbs, pronouns and adjectives. In today's class, we are going to cover preposition, conjunction, interjection and adverb. Okay. So let's start with adverbs first. Okay. So what is adverb? We know an adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So see, here we have some questions like how often, when and where. So what will an adverb do? Adverb will ask question to the verb or ask question to the adjective or another adverb. Let us take an example. See, it's written the boy plays the drums loudly. If I question this sentence with how did the boy play the drum? How does the boy play the drum? The answer will be the boy plays the drum loudly. So when we are questioning the sentence with how, we are getting the answer with an adverb. Okay. So when we will question the sentence with how, we will get the adverb. And always remember, in how box we have verb plus ly. See, slowly. Sorry, noun plus ly. Slowly, silently, sadly, quietly and so on. Let's go to the next box. It is how often. So if I say I always go to temple, and if you question this sentence, how often you go to the temple, I will answer I always go to the temple. When how often comes, then it is an adverb. Under how often, how many verbs are coming? Always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes. Okay? See the next box, it's when. If I ask you, when do you get up today? You will say, I get up early in the morning. Okay, you will use the word early, right? I get up early in the morning. So here early is an adverb. Why? Because when we question the sentence with when do you get up, you will get the answer early. So it is an adverb. Okay. Next box says where. Where are you now? You will answer I am inside the home. Inside, outside, near, there, everywhere, away. These all are the examples of adverb when the sentence will be questioned with where. Okay. Chalo. Next we will move to our next chapter of parts of speech, that is preposition. Now look at the word preposition. That means it is denoting a position of something. Okay. So look at this box. Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Okay. If I say the cat is in the box, मतलब कैट बॉक्स के अंदर है. कैट कहाँ है? बॉक्स के अंदर है. So we are getting the position of the cat, right? Yes. If I say the bird is on the box. See this, bird is on the box. On the box का मतलब bird box के ऊपर है. Okay, if I say the cat is in front of the box. Okay, so see this, cat बैठी है कहाँ, box के सामने. So we are getting a link with the position of the cat and the box. इस लिंक अप को हम लोग बोलते हैं preposition. See, I have given you a lot of examples of preposition with, at, from, into, during, including, until, against. Okay, let me give you an example here. If I say I will go to Mumbai from Pune today, where am I going? My position will be changed from Pune to Mumbai. Okay, if I say there is a war between two students, there is a war between two students, मतलब दो स्टूडेंट्स लड़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे के बीच, in between. Okay, so when we are denoting some position, it is called preposition. Clear? चलो, next we will move to our next chapter, that is conjunction. Now look at the word conjunction. A junction, you will get a junction. See, अगर हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं इसको तो we will get junction. Junction मतलब जहाँ पे, you know junction, trains आके रुकती हैं, बड़े बड़े junctions where everyone meet together, a point, बड़े बड़े junctions है ना. Yes, conjunction is type of same thing. Conjunction means when we are joining two sentences with a word. एक word से दो sentence join हो रही है. Suppose if I say they are rich, full stop, they are happy. वो अमीर है, वो खुश है. Okay, वो अमीर है, वो खुश है. Now how will I say this? They are rich and happy. वो अमीर है और खुश है, और को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? And, right? They are rich and happy. Okay, so देखो बच्चों, there are two types of conjunctions. One is coordinating conjunction and number two is subordinating conjunction. Okay, I have given two boxes for two conjunction. Look at coordinating conjunction. We have for, we have and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So what have I done? मैंने सब वर्ड से पहला अल्फ़ाबेट ले लिया. for से F लिया, and से A लिया, nor से N लिया, but से B ले लिया, or से O, yet से Y और S से S. तो मैंने खुद का निमोनिक्स बनाया. निमोनिक्स मतलब जिससे आपको याद रहे कि कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन में कौन कौन से कंजंक्शंस यूज़ होंगे. सो उनका नाम है फैन बॉयज़. अगर हम लोग फैन बॉयज़ याद रखते हैं तो वी विल गेट द आंसर F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. It's rhythmic ना, it's very good to remember. Okay, सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शंस में क्या है? बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. देखो, आफ्टर, ऑल्दो, एज. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. दे आर रिच एंड हैप्पी. वी लर्न जे वो अमीर है और खुश है, और से हम लोग उसको कनेक्ट किए दो सेंटेंस को. नाउ हाउ विल यू डू इन सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन? वी विल से दो दे आर रिच दे आर हैप्पी. वैसे जो रिच होते वो हर ऑल टाइम खुश नहीं होते, उनके पास बहुत सारे टेंशन्स होते. बट दो दे आर रिच दे आर हैप्पी. दो बैठाएं, ऑल्दो बैठाएंगे, बिकॉज लाएंगे, एज लाएंगे, मतलब हम उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स कर रहे हैं सेंटेंस को. ओके, व्हेन वी विल डू दिस वी विल गेट आवर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. ओके, So when I will do the conjunction chapter in a very deep way, explanative way, then you will come to know the different types of conjunctions and with great examples. Okay, so हमारी लास्ट है इंटरजेक्शन. व्हाट इज इंटरजेक्शन? इंटरजेक्शन मतलब हमें अभी पढ़ना नहीं है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन को शो करना है. सपोज if you look a dress, for girls I'm saying, if you look a dress in the shopping mall, you will say wow, so beautiful, है ना. You are using wow, that means you are showing strong emotions to that dress. For the boys I will say, if there is a match going on, or if there is a shirt again in the showroom, then you will again say wow, what a shirt, man, wow, what a shirt. You will say same thing, dress, wow, wow. So when we are using strong, when we are showing strong emotions, when we are greeting something, if I say good evening students, so I am giving you hello, hi, I am greeting you, these words are actually interjections. Okay, now sometimes we all say na, sure, I'll come. If someone invites you in a party or in a dinner, we always answers with sure, yeah, sure, right? So this sure, okay, wow, blast, bravo, hooray, this type of words are the examples of interjections. Is it clear? If not, please comment below. If there is some question, please comment below. I will answer each of them. No worries, okay? Keep practicing at home and share this video among your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.